your contact list, if you've got any new leads or whatever, you can set up the way I've got mine set up, and you could do this is I say if I've entered them within the past 7 days, I want them on this list. If they are a new lead, if they've gotten a new lead date within the past 60 days, I want them on this list. So you can set up any number of these the way you want. If I've modified it within the past 3 days, I want it on this list.
Okay.
So then I can come in here and I can just say, what have I modified in the last, past 3 days? And I can see everybody, or what new leads did I get in the past 60 days, and put in there. Is that what you're saying?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. So the contact stats piece kind of lets you see those, and be able to set those up any way you want. And the way that is set up is, you do have two options. You can say, show me everybody within the last that have been entered in the past 2 days, or what dates do I have for the next so many days. So like my birthdays, if I have a birthdays option in here, I can say, show me the birthdays for the next 5 days. Show me my anniversaries for the next 30 days, or whatever. You can put them in whatever you want. So that way, whenever I go to um, my contact stats, I can see who do I have birthdays coming up. So within the next 5 days, very quickly be able to find them and do stuff with them. And then I could come in here and select them all and add them to my call list if I wanted to. Say birthdays and make it an all day thing and add to call list.